Hello बच्चों, our question here is the following functions are continuous on 0 to pi. तो इनमें से कौन से functions 0 to pi में continuous है ये find करना है. Option A is tan x, option B is in integral of 0 to x t sin 1 by t dt. Option C is 1 for x belongs to 0 to 3 pi by 4 and 2 sin 2x by 9 for x belongs to 3 pi by 4 to pi. Option D is x sin x for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 sin pi plus x for x belongs to pi by 2 to pi. So this is to solve this question we need to know the key concepts, and that is firstly the concept of continuity. So concept of continuity is nothing but if a function is continuous, then its value should be equal at the points just before and just after x. So for example, at f of x, at x, if the function f of x is continuous, then the value of f of x has to be equal to f of x at the points just before and just after x. So secondly, we need to know that integral of a continuous function is also continuous. Integral of a continuous function is also continuous. Okay, so now let's try to start to solve this question. We'll first consider option A, and option A says tan of x. So tan of x, हमें पता है कि tan of x का जो कर्व होता है it is like this at pi by 2 it is discontinuous. For example, pi by 2 पे इसकी जो वैल्यू होती है वो इंफिनिटी हो जाती है, like this, ऐसे, like it goes to infinity and then again it is like this. Okay, I'm so sorry, this is not pi. pi पे इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है. So this point is pi, this point is pi by 2. So ये जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू पहले तो प्लस इन्फिनिटी जा रही है, देन माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 0 and then again plus infinity, again the cycle goes on. So therefore it is discontinuous at this point x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore option A is incorrect. Option A is incorrect. Now let's see option B. Option B is integral of 0 to x t sin 1 by t dt. So option B is integral 0 to x t sin 1 by t dt, correct? So integral 0 to x t sin 1 by t into dt. Here this part inside the integral is continuous because t is also continuous. So t is also continuous and sine of 1 by t is also continuous in 0 to pi. So in 0 to pi both of them are continuous, therefore we can say that this part is continuous, and therefore from the second concept that we know that if the integral of a continuous function is also continuous, therefore integral of this continuous function is also continuous, therefore our answer is option B is correct. Okay, so option B is correct, option A is incorrect. Option C is 1 for 0 to 3 pi by 4. So it is, let's write it down, option C. तो it is 1 for x belongs to 0 to 3 pi by 4 and it is 2 sine 2x by 9 for x belongs to 3 pi by 4 to pi. So here we know that कि 3 पाई बाय 4 के जस्ट पीछे इसकी वैल्यू 1 है. सो जस्ट आगे लाइक 3 पाई बाय 4 के जस्ट आगे इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, तो उसके लिए हमें इस इक्वेशन में इस फंक्शन में x की वैल्यू 3 पाई बाय 4 पुट करके देखना होगा. अगर इसकी वैल्यू 1 आती है देन इट इज कंटिन्यूस, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट. सो 2 साइन 2 बाई 9 इंटू 3 पाई बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन, ये कैंसिल आउट होके वी गेट पाई बाय this is 3, this will this is 3, then 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4, so 3 2s are 6, correct. Now we know that sine of pi by 6 is sine of 30 degrees and sine of 30 degrees is 1 by 2, so 2 into 1 by 2 which is 1. So हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे भी 1 है and यहाँ पे भी 1 है, therefore option C is correct. This function is continuous. Next option D, x sin x for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 sin pi plus x for x belongs to pi by 2 to pi. Okay, correct. Now इसमें भी सेम करना होगा. At x is equal to pi by 2 हमें इसकी वैल्यू एंड इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी होगी. If both of them are equal then the function is continuous, otherwise it is not. So x sin pi by 2, now we know that sin pi by 2 is 1, sorry x की जगह भी pi by 2 डालना होगा. So this is pi by 2 sin pi by 2, this is pi by 2 into 1, this is pi by 2. सेकेंड वाले में डाला तो we get pi by 2 sin pi plus pi by 2. Now we know that pi by 2 plus pi is 3 pi by 2 and sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, so this is minus 1, therefore it is pi by 2 into minus 1 which is minus pi by 2. अब हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे pi by 2 है एंड यहाँ पे minus pi by 2 है, therefore option D is incorrect, it is not continuous. So finally हमें आंसर मिलता है option B and option C, therefore our answer is B and C are correct. I hope you understood this question and the solution. All the best and thank you.